Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up SketchUp tools. First, let's get your workspace organized. Navigate to the View menu, then select Toolbars. Here, you'll find a list of available tool sets. I recommend enabling the Large tool set for comprehensive access to drawing and modification tools, and Styles for quick visual adjustments. Once enabled, you can easily drag and drop these toolbars to position them exactly where you need them on your screen for optimal workflow. Next, let's personalize your experience and expand SketchUp's capabilities. You can create custom toolbars by right-clicking on any existing toolbar area and selecting Customize. This allows you to add or remove specific tools. For advanced functionality, explore the Extension Warehouse. Simply go to Window, then Extension Warehouse, to browse and install powerful new features. After installation, manage these extensions through the Extension Manager, ensuring they are active and updated. Now, let's fine-tune your SketchUp environment through the Preferences menu. Access this by going to Window, then Preferences. Here, you can adjust various application settings, including OpenGL performance and drawing styles. A key area to explore is Shortcuts, where you can assign custom keyboard commands to your most used tools, significantly speeding up your design process. Also, remember to set your preferred file saving options and default templates for new projects. Finally, to ensure your custom setup is always ready, save your workspace as a template. Go to File, then Save as Template, giving it a descriptive name. This way, every new project starts with your preferred tool layout. Remember to regularly update SketchUp and all your installed extensions to benefit from the latest features and bug fixes. Continuously explore online resources and communities. There's always a new tool or workflow to discover that can enhance your design process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.